Ever wonder if that leftover birthday cash or the random $100 bill you found in your winter jacket could be working for you? Maybe you've heard whispers about investing, but the whole thing seems intimidating and expensive. Well, buckle up, because today we're cracking open the world of micro-investing and diving into a question that plagues many beginners. Can you actually invest with just $100 on a platform like Wealthsimple? Let's face it, traditional investing conjures up images of Wall Street sharks and briefcases overflowing with cash. But the truth is, the game has changed. New platforms are making investing more accessible than ever, and Wealthsimple is a prime example. So, can you hop on board with a measly $100? The answer, my friend, is a resounding yes. Now, before we get you hyped and downloading the app, there are a few things to consider. $100 might not turn you into a millionaire overnight, but it can be a fantastic springboard to kickstart your investing journey. Think of it as planting a seed. With time, care, and a little knowledge, that seed can blossom into something truly rewarding. Here's the thing, with micro-investing, it's all about building a habit. Like learning a new language or mastering that sourdough starter, consistency is key. By starting small and contributing regularly, you're getting comfortable with the process, learning the ropes, and most importantly, developing a long-term investing mindset. But enough with the motivational speeches, let's get down to brass tacks. How exactly does Wealthsimple handle those teeny tiny $100 investments? Here's the beauty of it all. Wealthsimple offers commission-free stock and ETF trades. This means you can buy and sell investments without any pesky fees eating into your precious $100. That's right, every penny goes towards your future, not lining the pockets of some stockbroker. Now, what about choosing what to invest in? This might sound overwhelming, but Wealthsimple offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of investment options. You can choose individual stocks, but for beginners, a fantastic option is to explore Wealthsimple's robo-advisor. This handy tool asks you a few questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, then automatically builds a diversified portfolio of ETFs for you. Voila! Instant diversification without any additional brain strain. Remember, diversification is crucial. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your $100 across different sectors and asset classes, you're minimizing risk and maximizing your chances of long-term growth. Of course, with any investment, there are risks involved. The stock market has its ups and downs, and there's no guarantee your $100 will magically double overnight. But here's the secret weapon of micro-investing: time. By starting young and investing consistently, you benefit from the power of compound interest. Even small gains can snowball over time, turning your $100 into a much more impressive sum down the road. Think about it, that morning coffee you skip a few times a week could be fueling your future. The key is to make it a habit. Set up an automatic transfer of even $20 a week, and before you know it, you'll have a decent chunk of change building for your goals, big or small. Here's the ultimate takeaway: Wealthsimple absolutely allows you to invest with just $100. It's a fantastic platform for beginners to get their feet wet in the world of investing and build a foundation for long-term financial success. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, it's about taking control of your future and making your money work for you. So, what are you waiting for? Dust off that forgotten $100 bill and take the first step towards a brighter financial future. With a little education, the right platform, and a dash of consistency, even a small amount can blossom into something truly rewarding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.